All right, well, in the last video my Vitamix broke right after I got done shooting, and you can see we only got 3 leaves on our clover in there. So today we're going to replace that. I ordered one online and I printed this tool a while back. You just slot her in there, give her a turn. This is really easy. And out with the old, in with the new. Now we do have a flat side here and here and a flat side here and here. We'll just fit that up in there. Give that a twist. Tighten her down. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. There we go. Put it in there. And look at that. Perfect. Thank you very much.